Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Philips Hue white in color Ambiance bulb starter kit. Comes with the bridge, comes with a smart button, and it comes with 3 bulbs. So I'm going to go ahead, unbox this, and set it up, show you guys the app, how it works. The full setup with the bridge and all, the smart button. As you can see, the box came damaged, so hopefully nothing inside the box is damaged. Alright, so let's get to it. Let's open it up. Alright, it's the moment of truth. Hopefully none of the bulbs are broken. Oh, looks good so far. All right, perfect. Intact, all 3 of them. These bulbs measure up to 800 lumens. It's pretty bright actually for bulbs this small. Comes with 3 of them in this starter kit. White and color. Getting set up guide. Let's put this box to the side. And this should be the hub. Mount it to the wall, or you could just have it laying down like this. Have your Ethernet port. You got your power cable. This comes separate for some reason, I'm not sure why. Comes with a Ethernet cable. And smart button here. I'm not sure what the smart button does, but we'll figure that out. The wall mount for the smart button. It's magnetic. I have the hub right here. So for this to actually connect to your devices and to all the bulbs and whatever light products you get from Philips Hue, you have to make sure it's connected to the router, which is right here behind my TV. All right, so we'll go ahead and get that connected to the Ethernet cable. Go ahead and plug it in and set up the app. I'm sure you can use any Ethernet cable. I'm just going to use the one that they sent just to make sure there aren't any technical difficulties. Plug this in. Plug it into here. Go ahead and plug this in. I'm not going to go ahead and mount this on the wall. It's going to take too much work. So I'm just going to leave it sitting here, right behind the TV, out of sight. All right, so it's plugged in, the power is on. Now let's go ahead and get the app set up. Okay, so I have the hub connected to the internet. I went ahead and downloaded the Philips Hue app. And right when I entered it, searching for the bridge, and it shows that one new bridge was found. So we'll go ahead and connect that one. You gotta make sure your phone's connected to the same Wi-Fi network too. All right, so we'll go ahead and connect. All right, so now we have to go ahead and push the link button so it can sync together. So I went ahead and pressed the button, it's synced together, and there's an update available. So make sure you go ahead and install that update for this app to work. All right, now the update is done. Go ahead and hit done, agree, enable, and it'll just take you through a quick tutorial. All right, go ahead, create a room. So as you can see, I have an empty slot here where I used to have an LED light. But I went ahead, I took it down so I can go ahead and install the Philips Hue bulb. All right, go ahead and give my setup. A nice look, you know. All right, let's go ahead, install this, and finish connecting the app. Okay, so I have the bridge and the bulb connected. Now let's go ahead and create a room. I'm gonna go ahead and name this one garage, because that's where I'm currently at. That's where the bulb is. All right, and I just have one bulb connected, so I'm just gonna keep that one checked. Hit save. We'll check it out. Let's see what we can do next. Okay, let's go. And now it's telling me to go ahead and configure the smart button. And let's go ahead and do that right now. As I was playing with the app, the bulb itself wasn't working because you gotta just make sure all of them are checked. If you're only plugging in one bulb, because you don't know which bulb was which. So just make sure all these are checked to make sure that bulb is working. I had the color lamp 1 checked only, and that wasn't the bulb that I connected. So I just checked all of them just to make sure it's connected. Hit save, and you could dim it, make it brighter. Let's go ahead and change the colors. Okay, so this one is bulb 2, as you can see here. And change it to any color you want. It's a really smooth transition too. You can hit this paint palette here and choose whatever mood you feel. Tropical twilight, savanna sunset, and it'll change the color depending on what you choose. If you want to relax, it dims it down a bit, makes it warmer, make it brighter. Well, now it's bulb 3, it's not 2. So as you can see, it's a little confusing only if you have one bulb connected instead of the whole thing. But it's really easy to use. If you're trying to connect different bulbs in different rooms, all you have to do is hit these 3 dots up here, rooms and zones, and you create a new room here. Create a new room. Just make sure that that specific bulb is plugged into that room, and from there you can go ahead and control it. You'll have a list here of different rooms. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and connect the smart switch for the Philips Hue. Just going to go ahead and stick it on the wall over here. I'm not sure if you need any prep or anything like that. I'm just going to stick it here. Hopefully it stays. You got this little piece here that comes with it. Put it right here. This button here. Go ahead and just a magnet. Let's get that button set up through the app. Just go to settings, accessories setup. Hue Smart Button, go ahead, tap on that. Tap on what to control. And you can either choose lights or rooms, set up however you want. Hue color lamp 3 for the garage. Done. And just set up however you want. You can customize it, very customizable. One thing I forgot to mention with the smart button, when you have it installed, just go ahead, hold it for like 3 seconds until you see the LED lights start flashing on it. That way it'll pair with your lights. And as you can see, it's connected. Also, to use this button, it doesn't have to be connected to the plate. You can just have it with you wherever you are around the room. And really easy. It's pretty cool. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing and setup of these Philips Hue light bulbs. Let me know what you guys think about these. Are they worth the price? Are there better alternatives out there? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more future unboxings and setups. I have 2 more bulbs here. I'm going to get creative and see where I can put these.